Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GMO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 38 cents, one of the newest areas of support, and the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the best? Definitely if the price can stay above 38. With that being said, though, I'm not saying that if the price falls below there, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 38, that would be great. But from the big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing very fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of the party stopped today during that opening portion up at 45 cents. So therefore, that'll be public enemy number one going into Monday. All in all, though, as long as the price continues to chip away and build the higher bases like it's been doing, that is the name of the game. So great way to close out the week. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.